Alright, so we're looking at maxillary bones now.
Okay, first we have the alveolar margin.
So alveolar margin running all the way along the tooth line. Alveolus is the cavity where the tooth sits in the bone, and so the margin is like the rim of each of those cavities.
Okay, and then we have the alveolar process.
The alveolar process is going to be the part of the bone that sticks anteriorly to make room for the cavity, for the alveolus.
Okay, next we have the frontal process.
Frontal process is going to be this part and this part on the right side where the maxillary bone comes up to connect with the frontal bone.
Okay, next the zygomatic process.
Zygomatic process is what projects from the bone to meet the zygomatic bone.
Okay. Next we have the palatine process.
So if we look inferior view and inside the mouth, palatine process here.
Okay. And then we have the infraorbital foramen.
Infraorbital foramen on either side, small foramen right there.
Next we have the inferior orbital fissure.
So we'll switch to a real skull and see inferior orbital fissure right there.
And last we have the maxillary sinus.
Alright, so to access maxillary sinus, we would go in through the nasal cavity and then turn laterally. So we'd end up just posterior to this. It's even visible on this color-coded model right there.